Welcome guys, and in this training we're going to add a team member to your sub account. This is useful, especially when you're first starting out. If you want to get somebody to come and help you with certain products, if somebody's better at certain things, you can get them in here and give them certain permissions, and then they can't affect the rest of your account. So what we're going to do is we're in the main dashboard here, and we're going to go down to settings, and then you're going to come up to my staff. When you get to my staff, you're going to go to the top corner, and we're going to go to add employee. When you get into it to add to an employee, you're going to add it their first name, last name. You're going to put the email address in, phone number if you have it. Then if you click on advanced settings, you should be then able to add a password for the user. Okay, you will come up here. If you have a picture of the person or just a logo, you can put it inside the personal logo. It should be 512 by 512 and no bigger than 2.5 megabyte. You can come down here and then you can add a signature for them. They won't usually, you can pick a calendar that you'd like them to be assigned to if they're going to be using calendar options. You can add a signature. The main thing that you're going to be doing though, guys, you're going to be coming to user permissions. This is where you will select on and off what you would actually like the person to gain access to that when you give them the access to the account. So you can turn everything off and just give them funnels or give them CRM, depending on what they're actually going to be coming in to do. You will then go down and you've got user roles. Now you have the choice. You can either have them as a user or an admin. Completely up to you of how far you want to be able to go into the account. You've then got call and voicemail settings. If you want to be able to forward numbers to them, if they've got an inbound Twilio number, you can set that up. You can set up a voicemail. User availability, you can set up what time zones they're in, what days of the week they're available, what time slots they're available. This will also integrate with the calendar later on. User calendar configuration. Once they've actually signed up as a team member, they'll be able to attach their Google Calendar, etc. And then you'll be able to sync this up and actually attach them and sync it all in there. And it'll be able to go and show whether they're available, not available, so they can book appointments if they're going to be working on your team in that sense. So, all right, guys, that's it for the first video, and I shall see you soon.